Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nareen Nayab, Department of Zoology, Cohort, University of Science and Technology, Cohort. The title of my presentation is Effect of Atrazine on Survival Behavior and Biochemical Aspect of Silver Carp, that is Hypothalamides mollitrix. I start from introduction, followed by objectives, material and methods, and then the results. So atrazine is one of the most commonly used herbicide used to control annual grasses and broad-leaved weeds such as maize, wheat, rice, and sugarcane, etc. Atrazine run off into water bodies, posing threats to aquatic population, including fishes. Atrazine is highly toxic and carcinogenic in nature. Atrazine is not degraded by microbial or hydrolytic process. Objectives. The first objective of my presentation is to analyze the acute toxicity of atrazine on survival, behavioral, and morphological aspect of silver carp. The second objective is to evaluate the biochemical response of atrazine on total protein content, LPO level, and the activities of antioxidant enzymes is marker in liver, brain, gills, and muscle tissue of silver carp. Material and methods. This is the flow diagram which I have followed during my research work. First, I collect silver carp from Thunder Dam cohort and acclimatized it one week before the start of experiment. Atrazine dilution was made with 80% acetone. Acute toxicity analysis. For acute toxicity analysis, 25 fishes were taken. One group was made as control group and the four group were made as treated group, which are treated with different doses of atrazine. LC50 for 96 hours was determined. The behavior and morphology of fish were examined from both the control and treated groups. Biochemical analysis include total protein contents, LPO level, and the activities of antioxidant enzymes. Results: total protein estimation in liver and gills. These graphs shows the total protein content in liver and gills. In the present study, in treated groups, the total protein content is reduced as compared to control group in liver and in gills from 24 to 96 hours. Total protein estimation in brain and muscle. These graphs shows the total protein content in brain and in muscle. With respect to control group, the total protein content in treated group is reduced. In brain and in muscle, when the fish were exposed to different concentration of atrazine for different time period. This may be the reason because to cope with environmental condition, the protein was converted into glucose by the process of glucogenesis. Now, lipid peroxidation level in liver and gills. This graph shows the LPO level in liver and gills. In the present study, the LPO level in treated groups was increased as compared to control group in liver and also in gills from 24 to 96 hours. Now lipid peroxidation level in brain and muscle. This graph shows the LPO level in brain and in muscle. Here, an increase was observed in treated groups as compared to control group. In muscle, LPO level was increased in treated groups with respect to control groups for different time period. From this study, I concluded that atrazine is toxic to silver carp because it produces oxidative stress in silver carp. Therefore, it should be used in a permissible limit. Thank you very much.